came to me and stole my ponytail holder. Then he flew off with it. I don't think I'm getting that back. You gonna give it back? Huh? What are you eating? Can I have it? Good boy. No, you're just gonna run from me like that? What you chewing on? Back up there. Don't drop it in the holes. What do you want? Is that fun? Am I gonna be able to put that back on when you're done with it? No, I didn't think so. Hi, pretty boy. He wants to be destructive in private. Hi, baby. You want out? Come here. No. No, you don't. Okay, that's fine. Give it back. I want it. Give it back. Thank you. Kind of a healthy alternative. I think he's pleased with it. He seems pretty happy. Where are you going? Where are you going? You want to come here? Good boy. He doesn't know if he wants to stay on me or if he wants to play up there or what he wants to do. What do you want to do? He just wants to be destructive. You spread those beautiful wings. Yeah. Fly. Good boy. Where you at? Hi. Are you happy? Huh? You out playing and flying? This is my good boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? I gotta be careful because that white thing that he likes on my eye, I removed it. So it's not there anymore. But there's a scab now, so it hurts. Don't need him chewing on that. You okay up there? Oh, no, no. No, no, no. He's just flying all over the room. Just enjoying himself. It's nice and warm back here because the heater is on. So Wasabi has a thing about everything, and he needs reassurance about everything. He wants the ball and the other toys up here, but he won't go up because he's scared because I put the piece back up. The end of the video where he was playing with the blue ring, which is also up here somewhere. This one. What I didn't show, because I just stopped filming, was he went too close to the box and Sammy reached up through the top and bit his toe. Thankfully she didn't get him too bad, so he's okay, and he only limped around on it a little bit, and I checked it several times, and later on he was fine. But we will not be making that same mistake twice, so I put the grate back in, or the tray. He doesn't like it. They've not been on for a long time. I just think that it blocks a lot of the light that they get from the window. I need to put his back on so he'll get used to it. You want this? You want that? You want it? Good boy. Yeah. Oh, it's not that bad. You want it? Good boy. But I need to put it back on so he can start getting used to it, because he loves playing on the top of her cage for whatever reason. I think it's just to be closer to her, honestly. You want water? He wanted water, so he went to the side of his cage. refusing to go in. So I opened the door and now it's bath time. All over the carpet. That's okay. He's happy. Anyway, I'll be taking proper precautions from now on because that would have been a crazy vet visit that thankfully we avoided because she didn't do it too hard. She just warned him, which is awesome. If you guys like the video, please like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. You guys have a good day.